I need to spin my wheels. I got a hankering for 4 white ties, and I can't help it, it's the way I'm wired. Before you get too close, boy, you need to know I got a heart like a truck. It's been drugged through the mud, runs on dreams and gasoline, and that old highway holds the key. It's got legs put down when it's leaving, low enough taking the hell of a beating. A little bit of love is all that it's needing, but it's good as it is tough. I got a heart like a truck. There ain't no breaking when I throw it in drive. Don't always keep it between the lines. If you're ready for a ride, pedal down, stay down mine. Boy, I tell you what, you better buckle up. I got a heart like a truck. It's been drugged through the mud, runs on dreams and gasoline, and that old highway holds the key. It's got legs put down when it's leaving, no one else is taking the hell of a beating. A little bit of love is all that it's needing, but it's good as it is tough. I got a heart like a truck. Dust off, yeah, shine it up, rev it up, let it run. Yeah, it gets high, I'm riding off into the sun. I got a heart like a truck, it's been drugged